everybody and welcome back. Today I am showing you how to make a beautiful sunsuit. Here are the materials you're going to need. For this I'm using cotton, but feel free to use knit. First things first, you're going to roll out some paper, any paper of your choice. Take a bathing suit that fits and go ahead and fold it in half and trace around it. Once you have it all traced out, you're going to go ahead and go over your little dots that you made if you used a tracing wheel with a marker, and then I'm extending it at about 1 inch on the side and just giving more seam allowance on the arm and the leg. To make the back piece, I'm measuring down 9 inches because this is my chest to belly button measurement, and drawing that across and then extending it 1 inch on the side and then slanting it like this. And this will be the bottom piece, but I'm going to fold that up and retrace that onto another sheet of paper. And then we can just cut off this. Now what we're going to do is fold our fabric in half and go ahead and cut out one of each of these and a lining for both of them. Now that that's done, you're going to take your lining and your fabric piece and put them right sides touching. Sew all the way around, leaving the bottom open. Then take an elastic that fits snug on the back, pinning it to one side and stretching it to the other side and zigzagging or serging that to the top. Now that that's done, we can flip it right side out. Now taking our front piece, we're going to put our bloomer piece right sides touching, pin it down on the sides and sew it. And then putting our lining piece on top, we're going to pin this all the way around. Roll up the bloomer piece and pin it out of the way. And continue pinning the lining. Once it's all pinned, we're going to go ahead and sew all the way around this, leaving the bottom open. Now flip that right side out. I'm just showing you here how pretty the seams end up being if you do this method. I needed to cut off the legs a little bit because the crotch was too wide, so I went ahead and did that. So it looks like this. And now taking elastic that fits around the leg and serge or zigzag stitch it all the way around. Now that our legs are done, we need to work on the straps. For the straps, you need to measure from the front of the chest to the back, giving about 5 inches. And I'm making my strips 2 inches wide. Now that you have 2 strips, we're going to go ahead and fold them in half, right sides touching, and sew along the bottom. Flip it right side out with a safety pin. And at the end of the strap, I'm going to go ahead and just tie a knot so that the end frays. Putting them at the top of my sunsuit and just tack it down. On the back, I just tied almost like I was going to go and tie a shoe, but without the loops. Measured 3 inches in and tack those down. And this is it, guys. This is a sunsuit that they can play in the water or just out in the sun or the sand, and I think it's super, super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you like me, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.